Rexing V1 Basic Dashcam 1080p FHD DVR Car Driving Recorder Review. Have you ever wondered if your car is truly safe when you're not around? Or how you could prove your innocence in the event of an accident? Well, dash cams like the Rexing V1 Basic are becoming a must-have for drivers seeking peace of mind on the road. This model promises to deliver a mix of reliability and performance, but does it live up to the hype? Today, we're diving into the Rexing V1 Basic Dashcam, a full HD 1080p camera designed to offer top-tier recording for your driving needs. We'll explore its features, performance, and see how it stacks up against competitors. The Rexing V1 Basic Dashcam comes equipped with a high-performance image sensor that records in crisp 1080p at 30 frames per second. What does that mean for you? Well, it ensures that every detail on the road is captured clearly, even in low-light environments, thanks to its combination of f1.8 large aperture, WDR, and HDR. If you're worried about visibility at night, this camera has you covered. It even eliminates the need for auxiliary lighting, making those late-night drives much less stressful. One of the standout features of the V1 Basic is its super-wide 170-degree field of view. This ultra-wide-angle lens reduces blind spots, providing you with a much clearer picture of the road, which could be crucial if you're trying to capture an important moment. So, whether it's a car swerving into your lane or an unexpected event in traffic, you're less likely to miss it. The G sensor is another important addition to the V1 Basic. If the camera detects a sudden shake or collision, it automatically locks the footage so that it's preserved, even in the event of loop recording. This feature is especially valuable if you're involved in an accident and need irrefutable proof to protect yourself. Its discreet design is another benefit, with the V1 Basic keeping a low profile on your windshield. It's subtle, yet always on the lookout, capturing your drive without drawing too much attention. Let's take a quick look at the pros and cons. Pros: superb night vision. Thanks to the f1.8 aperture and WDR, images at night are clear and vibrant. Wide angle: the 170-degree lens captures more of the road, cutting down blind spots. Accident detection: G sensor automatically locks footage during collisions. Discreet design: sleek and low profile, making it unobtrusive on your windshield. Cons: no built-in GPS. Unlike some competitors, this model lacks GPS functionality for location tracking. Limited screen size: the 2.4-inch LCD screen may be small for those who prefer larger displays for playback. Now, how does the Rexing V1 Basic stack up against competitors? When compared to other popular models like the Anker Rove Dashcam A1 or Vantrue N1 Pro, the Rexing V1 Basic shines in terms of wide-angle coverage but lacks built-in GPS and features like voice control. While the Vantrue N1 Pro offers GPS and a slightly more compact design, the Rexing model is a stronger contender if you prioritize ease of use and night vision clarity. If you're looking for a reliable dashcam with full HD recording, great night vision, and a discreet design, the Rexing V1 Basic is a strong option. It's perfect for daily commuters, road trip enthusiasts, and anyone who wants an added layer of security while driving. However, if GPS tracking or advanced features like voice control are important to you, you might want to consider other alternatives. Who's it for? Best for those who want a reliable, budget-friendly dashcam for everyday driving. Not ideal for those who need more complex features like GPS or voice commands. Conclusion: the Rexing V1 Basic is a solid, no-frills dashcam that delivers on the essentials: full HD recording, super wide angle, great night vision, and the added security of the G sensor. If you're looking for a basic, dependable dashcam, this is a great choice. However, if you're after more advanced features like GPS or voice control, this might not be the right fit. If this review has been helpful, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more in-depth reviews. Don't forget to click the bell to stay updated with the latest and greatest automotive tech. Thanks for watching, and remember, when it comes to driving, don't just take a chance. Autovate your ride with the best.